Welcome to the Game Audio Resource WiseCube Guide series. In this step we will implement the rocket launcher to have a fire, a flight, and an impact/explosion. In this step we will implement a simple structure for the rocket launcher fire. Navigate to the Project Explorer Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy, Weapons Work Unit. Then right-click, select New Child, Actor Mixer. Name it Weapon_Rocket_Launcher. In the Properties Editor, Output Bus, assign the following path: Master Audio Bus, Environmental, SFX, then Weapon. Right-click the Actor Mixer, then select New Child, Random Container. Name it Weapon_Rocket_Launcher_Fire. Drag in the free audio assets into the random container. Place them under the path SFX, Weapon, Rocket Launcher. Please note, in video the wrong named assets are implemented. Select the random container, then in the Properties Editor Positioning tab, add the following. Tick Override Parent, tick Enable Positioning, change the drop-down menu to 3D. Under 3D Attenuation, assign the following path: My Cube, Weapon, Weapon_Fire. Navigate to the Project Explorer Events tab, Weapons Work Unit. Then right-click, then select New Child, Virtual Folder. Name it Weapon_Rocket_Launcher. Locate the following event: Fire_Rocket_Player. Then custom paste the event into the new virtual folder. Select the event, then with the event properties displayed, navigate back to the Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy, Weapon Rocket Launcher Fire Random Container. Drag the random container onto the play action that is assigned to Placeholder Silence One Shot. Save your Wise project updates and generate the sound banks. Please note, in the launch showcase videos, a barrel turn impact and a steam burst were attached to the rocket launcher fire event, with a delay offset to trigger in time with the animations. This step will highlight how to implement a projectile in-flight loop. Navigate to the Project Explorer Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy, Weapons Work Unit, Weapon Rocket Launcher Actor Mixer. Drag in the free assets into the Actor Mixer. Place the loop under the path SFX, Weapon Rocket Launcher. With the assets selected, in the Properties Editor, add a tick to the loop box. Then in the Advanced Settings tab, add the following. Under Playback Limit, tick Ignore Parent, time Limited Sound Instances to 4, then globally, change When Limit is Reached to Kill Voice, then change Priority is equal to Discard Oldest Instance. Navigate to the Project Explorer Share Sets tab, Weapons Work Unit. Right-click, then select New Child, then Attenuation. Name it Weapon_Projectile_Flight. Open the attenuation, then add the following. Change the max distance to 80. In the Curves list, select the Output Bus Volume. Then in the graph, add a point marker at Output Bus Volume 0.0 and Distance 10. Right-click the red line after the point marker just added, then select the curve Logarithmic Base 3. Close the Attenuation Editor window. Navigate back to the Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy, Rocket Launcher Flight Loop Audio Asset. Select the asset, then in the Properties Editor Positionings tab, add the following. Tick Override Parent, tick Enable Positioning, change the drop-down menu to 3D, then under 3D Attenuation, assign the following path: My Cube, Weapon, Weapon_Projectile_Flight. Locate the following events: Fire_Rocket_Player and End_Rocket_Player. Ensure both events are moved under the Weapon_Rocket_Launcher virtual folder. Select the event Fire_Rocket_Player. Then in the Events Editor, right-click the list, select New Action, then Play. With the blank New Play action selected, add a delay value of 0.2 and a fade time value of 0.2. Now select the event end_rocket_player. Then in the event editor, right-click the list, select New Action, then Stop, then Stop. Select the new stop action, then add a fade time value of 0.2. Navigate back to the Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy, Weapon Rocket Launcher Actor Mixer. Drag the rocket launcher flight loop onto each of the two new event actions we have just added, play and stop. Save your Wwise project updates and generate the sound banks. The final part of the rocket launcher sequence is the impact. Navigate to the Project Explorer Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy Weapons Work Unit. Right-click the Weapon Rocket Launcher Actor Mixer, then select New Child, then Blend Container. Name it Weapon_Rocket_Launcher_Impact. Right-click the new blend container, then select New Child, Random Container. Copy and paste the random container so you have 3 blank random containers. Name each random container individually the names you see on screen. Drag in the free audio assets to each of the 3 random containers. Place them under the path SFX Weapon Rocket_Launcher. Select the Blend container, then in the Properties editor, General Settings tab, click on the Blend Tracks Edit button. In the Blend Track Editor window, we shall assign 3 new blend tracks. Click on the new Blend Track button 3 times. Name individually each of the blend tracks one of the following: Rocket Impact Close, Rocket Impact Far, Rocket Impact Debris Close. On each of the 3 entries, add the following: tick crossfade, then assign the following parameter: Game Parameters, Default Work Unit, Distance _150. Close the Blend Track Editor window. Select the blend container, then in the Contents editor under Blend Tracks, assign the associated random container. Open the Blend Track Editor window again. Now we assign the content distances we want to hear them. Under Rocket Projectile Close, change the start point to 0, change the end point to 70, right-click the end point line, then select Fade Manual. Drag the point marker to 20. Select Rocket Projectile Far. Change the start point to 20. Change the end point to 150. Right-click the line at 20, then select Fading Manual. Drag the point marker to 60. Now select Rocket Projectile Impact Debris. Change the start point to 0. Change the end point to 60. Right-click the 60 endpoint, then select Fading Manual. Drag the marker point to 10. Right-click the Fade Curve line, then select Logarithmic Base 3. Move the playhead to 0, then press play on the transport control. Try positioning the playhead at different distances to hear how the crossfade will sound and how the assets will sound at different distances. Close the Blend Track Editor window. Navigate to the Project Explorer Share Sets tab. Right-click the Weapon Work Unit, then select New Child Attenuation. Copy and paste the attenuation so you have 2 blank attenuations. Name each attenuation individually Weapon_Projectile_Impact and Weapon_Projectile_Impact_Debris. Open the Weapon Projectile Impact Attenuation. Then add the following: max distance to 140. Select the output bus volume in the curves list. Then in the graph, add a marker point at output bus volume 0.0 and distance 10. Right-click the red line after the point marker. Then select the curve Logarithmic Base 3. Select the low-pass filter in the curves list. Change the curve to Custom. Drag the point marker at distance 140 to low-pass filter 50. Right-click the blue line, then select Exponential Base 3 curve. Close the Attenuation Editor window. Open the Weapon Impact Debris Attenuation. Then add the following. Max distance to 60. Select the output bus volume in the curves list. Then in the graph, add a point marker at output bus volume 0.0 and distance 10. Right-click the red line after the point marker, then select the logarithmic base 3 curve. Select the low-pass filter in the curves list, then change the curve to custom. Drag the point marker at distance 140 to low-pass filter 50. Right-click the blue line, then select exponential base 3 curve. Close the attenuation editor window. Select the rocket launcher impact blend container, then in the Properties Editor Positionings tab, add the following settings. Tick Override Parent, tick Enable Positioning, change the drop-down menu to 3D, then under 3D Attenuation, assign the following path: MyCube, Weapon, Weapon_Impact. Select the Weapon Rocket Launcher Impact Debris Close Random Container, then in the Properties Editor Positionings tab, add the following. Tick Override Parent, tick Enable Positioning, change the drop-down menu to 3D, then under 3D Attenuation, assign the following path: MyCube, Weapon, Weapon_Impact_Debris. Navigate to the Project Explorer Events tab. Locate the event hit_rocket_player. Then move the event into the Weapon Rocket Launcher virtual folder. Select the event, displaying the event properties. Navigate back to the Audio tab, Actor Mixer Hierarchy, Weapon Rocket Launcher Impact Blend Container. Then drag the blend container onto the event play action that is currently assigned to Placeholder Silence 1 shot. Save your Wwise project updates and generate the sound banks. The final step is to test our updates. Boot up the game and connect Wwise to the game. Solo the Actor Mixer Hierarchy Weapon Rocket Launcher Actor Mixer. In Wwise, change to the profile layout, then filter the log by the Weapon Rocket Launcher Actor Mixer. Back in game, collect rocket launcher ammo. Test firing rockets at close and far targets. Add any balancing changes you would like to make. Save your Wwise project updates and generate the sound banks. Finally, run a Wwise integrity report to validate your data updates.